Assalamu alaikum guys, today we'll tell you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10 through Rufus 3.8. Select Rufus 3.8. Now select the flash drive. You can also create a bootable flash drive without an OS, but here we will select the Windows 10 OS. From select button you can browse the image file of the Windows. You can select 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm selecting 64-bit. Now you can change partition scheme, but usually we use GPT for the bigger hard drives, and instead of BIOS it uses UEFI. You can click list USB hard drives if your flash drive is not showing up. When you will click it will show up. Now select advanced options. If you want to detailed format and not a quick format, you can check from here. Now click the start button and press OK. You can see now UEFI booting drive has been created, and also the name of the flash drive has been changed. It will take almost 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the speed of your system. It's almost created. You have to disable the secure boot to boot from this flash drive. This will give you this message. Just click close and your flash drive is almost ready. Now click close and your flash drive is ready, and you can install Windows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.